Hello students, I am Pooja Kulkarni. Today we will see the PHP topic PHP Sessions. What is a session? Session is a way to store the information in variables that to be used across multiple pages. The session variable holds information about one single user and that information is available to all pages in one application. Suppose you are using an application on your computer. You are opening the application, doing some changes in it, then closing that application. The computer knows who you are. But the problem with the web server on the internet is what? The web server does not know who you are because our protocol HTTP is stateless protocol. It does not maintain any state information about the user. So PHP session is used to solve that information. PHP sessions holds user information across multiple pages in your application. And by default, the session variables last until you close your browser. The session variables are always set with PHP global variable $_session. The best example of session is what? If you have accessed any application with your username and password, okay, by logging into your application, your username is appearing on the application on each page of that application. So your username in that case is a session variable because it is appearing on all the pages. Your user information is stored across all the pages, so that becomes your session variable. So session variables are set with PHP global variable $_session. Again, it is a super global variable. So super global variable is associative array. Associative array contains information in the form of key and value pair. Okay, now we will see one small PHP script how to create a session variable. First, session.php page is there. I am writing on that page $_session color equal to red. Okay, in this case, the color is key and value is red. So it becomes our session variable because we have used super global variable $_session. Now to access a session variable, now we are going to write this small code on another PHP file. Okay, from that you are going to access the variable which is $_session color from the file session.php. So I am creating test.php. In that I have written echo $_session color. So output is, it is showing the value of that super global variable. Output is red. Output is red. Now there are several session functions that are used. First is session start. Session start function is used to start a session. The session start function is always written before the HTML tag. The next is session unset. The session unset function removes all the session variables. And last is session destroy. It is used to destroy the session. Now we will see all of this function with the help of PHP script. Now this PHP script is showing the use of session start function. Now first is session.php page we have created. In that, observe, in the first PHP script we have written session_start and then HTML tag is there. Then inside HTML tag I have written one more PHP script $_session color equal to red, $_session fruit equal to apple, and then echo session variables are set. So we have taken two session variables here. Output of this page will be session variables are set, which is inside echo statement, and the two session variables will be set by this PHP script. Now suppose I have taken one more PHP page test.php. In that I have written session underscore start again. Okay, session start I have written first, then HTML tag. Inside that, in PHP script, I have used that session variables inside echo statement. That is first session variable, second session variable. Okay, both the echo statements are displaying value of the session variables that we have set in session.php page. Okay, now output is what? First session variable red, second session variable is apple. So the session variables that we have set in the page session.php, we can access that session variables in the page test.php. So the user data is accessible across multiple pages in this way. Now from where all of the variables are accessed on the another page? It is due to session start that we have written on the top of test.php. If we do not write this session start, our PHP script on test.php will not be able to fetch the value of session variables that are on session.php. All of the session data is stored in session start function, because session start creates a session. Then the two functions are there, session unset and session destroy. Why session unset is used? To remove all of the session variables, and session destroy to destroy our session. When you want to destroy your session, when you are done with using your session variables, you can destroy your session, or you can remove all of the session variables using session unset. Look at the PHP script for session start, then again a PHP script is there, session unset and session destroy.